Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today we'll be making the long overdue Harry Potter Printables Volume 5. If you haven't checked out Volume 1s through 4 yet, you definitely should. There are some really cool printables included with those, and all of the templates are free for you to download online. Go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're going to need to make these, as well as the link to the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. First up, we have a Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry sticker that you can put inside your notebooks, where it lets you fill in your name, your class, and your year. And you're going to want to print this on sticker paper. And then just use a ruler and X-Acto knife to cut it out. And now you can just stick this on the inside or the outside of your notebook. Next, we have a Defense Against the Dark Arts test by Gilderoy Lockhart. And this is just a 9-question single-page test. And I printed one that already has the answers filled in, but I also have a template variation that does not have the answers filled in, so you can fill them in yourself if you want. And you'll want to print this double-sided just on regular paper. And here's how it should look once you have it cut out. Next, you'll find Albus's letter to Grindelwald. And again, we're just going to print this out double-sided and cut it out with a ruler and X-Acto knife. Now, before we finish this one up, you'll be able to tell that there are some lines in here where folds would be, and you do want to fold along those lines just to make the paper look used. You can fold it back and forth to get a nice crease in the paper. There's also a crease line right here, so if you want, you can fold along that line as well. And then you can just sort of crumple it a little bit, and the finished letter should come out looking like this. And next we have the Hogwarts Hymn. I printed this on 11 by 17 paper, obviously double-sided as always, so we're just going to trim off the white space around it. And then the H here you can see is kind of in a brownish gold looking color, as well as the border around here. So basically what I'm going to do at some point is fill this in with gold leaf, but the lines are so fine I'm going to need a finer point adhesive pen. Right now I'm using one that has a pretty thick tip, so I'm not going to attempt it on this because I don't want to ruin it, but I'll be doing that with this H and the border, so it'll all be kind of like a shiny gold. And yeah, the Hogwarts Hymn should look like this when you have it finished. Next up, again on 11 by 17 paper, we have the Magic Alphabet. Now this was hanging in Harry Potter's room when he was a baby. Now once you have this done, you could just frame it and hang it in your room, or if you have a baby or a child, you could hang it in their room as well. Next we have Elop's Owl Emporium poster. This I printed on a thicker 11 by 17 paper, and it's got a very slight shine to it as well. I don't know if you can see that. It's not super glossy, but it does have some gloss on it. And now this you could just use as a party decoration, or you could just hang it up in your room. And the very last thing I have, also printed on that thick semi-gloss 11 by 17 paper, is this Sorting Hat poster. And it has part of the Sorting Hat song here. And this was a promo for the Harry Potter celebration. I think it was 2016. And that's what it said down here at the bottom, but I took that part off just to make it less, strictly for 2016. And yeah, just turn it into a poster. And there it is. I left a white border around it because it has these little dots around the border, and I didn't want to cut those off. So we have a little bit of a white border around this one. And right there, as you can see, it's just these little dots around the edge that I didn't want to cut off. If you want to win the printables that I made in this video today, there is a weekly giveaway link in the description box below. There's also a 20K giveaway link down there too, and that is for a Muggle Magic mystery box, which contains a Marauder's map, a Quibbler, as well as 5 mystery items, a couple of which are going to be unreleased projects of mine, which I'm not going to release the videos for until after the box is won. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and enter the giveaway. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.